Welcome back to my channel. Well, since I last shown you hose head, I have managed to get some parts for him. So let's go through them. As you know, I've done some repairs to this hose head. Still got the pin in there, I need to change that out for something more permanent. But I was able to get off eBay lug. You can see that properly. Lug. That's his head, his headmaster head. And I also managed to buy some 3D printed parts. His helmet. His gun. And his two head guns. So I'm going to put him on him and see how he looks. So let's move on to the centre here. His helmet goes there, push in the centre, like that. Lug, his driver, we place your drive from, but okay. Sits in there like that, that's lug in place. There, as you can see. His gun can fit in there, like that. I believe these two side ones could go here. Each side like this. There you go. Complete hose head. Now let's put him in robot mode. And here we have hose head complete with his head. I think it looks pretty good. Articulation wise, his hands can go 360. And well, that's about your lot really. Oh, you've got a bit of bend at knees as part of the transformation, but that is your lot with him. Get your tech read out on this plate here. Your strength, speed, intelligence. So that's G1 hose head, all complete. Thank you very much.